Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to put a custom button into your Sketchware project. But if today is your first time of visiting my channel, please do well to subscribe. Just subscribe. You can't just come here and watch my video just like that. Huh? Give me a credit by hitting that subscription button. Subscribe, because I always update with new and encouraging videos and stuff like this. So why not click on that subscription button? It's not going to take your time. Just a click. It's okay. Now let me get okay. Here you just open your Sketchware. I'm making use of Sketchware Pro. So I'm going to be sharing you the link to this Sketchware Pro. I'm going to dash it out. So just check my description, this video's description, then you get it there. Just try to subscribe. Okay, now what you have to do is to click on, you can see, you click on this plus button. Now here is where you're going to enter your application name. Then maybe let's say let's say tutorial app. Okay, you choose from gallery. Choose from gallery. That's your account. Choose from gallery. So I choose from Pixel Lab, and use Pixel Lab to design my graphics. So if you really want to learn more about Pixel Lab, you can check more of my videos. Then I have a tutorial where I make videos on how to use Pixel Lab to create graphics for your site and also for things like this. So now you click on create app. Now your app has been created. Okay, it will take you to this interface. This is where you're going to start your design. So what are we trying to do? We are putting a custom button to our project. So this is how you go about it. Now you look for button. This is button. You drag and drop this button. Drag and drop button. Drag and drop button. This is it. Okay. And how do you change this button to custom button? Then you locate your background resource. Click on your background resource. You see none. Now how do you load more background resources into this? What you do is you hit on this cancel button, click on it. Now the next thing to do is to click here, click on these three dots. Then once you click on it, you will see that something like this will appear, and you select this image. This is what you're going to select. Okay, select image, then it will take you to this place. Here you're going to load by clicking this plus button here. It will take you to your file manager where you're going to pick the project, the custom pictures or any image that you really want to import. But if you already have imported pictures, you can click on my collection here. All these ones are the ones that I imported by myself. Then you click on this, you import, you check this. If you don't want to change the name, you leave it like that and import. It's not imported. Now you go back, you click on back, you go back. Now click on any of these button here and go back to that background resource. You'll see the thing have appeared. You see it there. Then you click on it and select. You see the thing have appeared. Then how are you going to shape this so that it's going to give you the correct button size? Then you go to use wide. You check this wide to, let's say, 100. Let's do 800. Yes, let's do 800. Now the height, let's also check it by 100. 100 by 100. 100 by 100. No, 100 by 100 is too much. Let's say 100 by 50. The height should be 50. Yeah, that is it. The same thing here. Change the background resource, repeat what you've done before. Same thing here, change it. Now this size, the height, the width should be 100. Sorry, the height should be 100. Wide, the wide, right, the height should be 50. Yeah, 50. Okay. Same thing here. Wide 100. 100. Then the height should be 50. All right. This is it. Now to change the text, you look at your text. You erase this and put in what you really want to put. This is share button. The share button. The next should be rate up. Okay. The next should be more up. Okay. So this is it. As you can see, it is now set. That is how to customize or to put a custom button into your Sketchware project. That is how you do it. Now you can check the text style to bold. Text style bold. This text style, text style should be bold. Yeah. So this is it. Now in our next video we are going to talk about how to assign functions to these buttons that we created right now. Like when you click on the share button so that it will share the app. When you click on the rate app, it will rate the app. When you click on the more app, then it will show you more app that is being designed by you from Play Store. The Play Store apps will just pop up immediately and the person will download more of your application. So thank you for watching my videos, and please do well to subscribe. Then this time around I'm going to be sharing with you this custom button. Just go down to this video's description. You will see the custom button. It is in PNG format. So I'm going to share it to you there so that you will download it and follow along with the tutorial. So thank you for watching my video. Just do well to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.